Good morning guys, it's timtense and I'm preparing myself to go on a hike again. I will do the Pico do Arieiro to Pico Ruivo today in Madeira, and it's now 5:30 in the morning. I'm going to do it for sunrise, so I hope to make it to Pico do Arieiro parking and then maybe already hike a bit and then catch the sunrise and the golden hour during the hike. That would be great. It should be about 3 hours to get from Pico do Arieiro to Pico Ruivo, and then also 3 hours back, I guess, pretty much. So I'm going to finish this coffee right now and then I'll be on my way. Let's go. It is now 7 o'clock and I made it to Pico do Arieiro. I'm a bit later than I wanted to, so I'm doubting if I should wait here for the sunrise or start hiking already. Maybe I will wait here for the sunrise and then start the hike. I will see how the conditions are, how many people are there, but let's get dressed really warm because it's really cold here, and let's get going then. So it's really foggy here at Pico do Arieiro. I see a lot of people leaving already because I'm guessing the sunrise will not be visible, so I will just keep hiking and maybe the sky will clear up and I will have a nice view a bit further down, so fingers crossed. I love how quiet it is here right now. I don't think a lot of people will be on the trail today because of all the fog and the bad visibility. So some people are very courageous and they trail run this thing. That would be not for me, I guess. Not yet. And in the first kilometer pretty much there are lots of stairs down, which means this will be a hard part to get back. And it looks like we might be lucky after all. Look at that orange light popping through. Pretty epic. Look at those stairs there. Those are the stairs I need to do back. Just a bit of background information about this trail. This is one of the most popular trails in Madeira, apparently. Some people describe it as very scary. So far it's okay. There are some huge drop-offs and cliffs, but there's always this kind of protection. So the path is wide enough. I think it's like 1 meter or something. So if you walk in the middle, you shouldn't feel scared or anything. And we have reached the first tunnel, Tunnel Pico do Gato. Let's go. Because last time at Caldera Verde I hit my head in the tunnel. I had my hat on, but still I hit my head. And in preparation for this hike I got a massage yesterday because I thought it would be necessary, and maybe afterwards another one, because my legs were a bit stiff, my muscles were stiff, even my arms from the surfing, so that massage really helped. So I'm ready to do this hike. I don't think it will be the hardest hike that I ever did, but still I wanted to be prepared. And we have another tunnel coming up. And this was the third tunnel. This one was a bit longer than the others, so I used my headlamp. But yeah, it was a bit wet there, so better to use the headlamp. And I think we have another tunnel coming up. Right there is the entrance. Can't talk right now. This is where I'm climbing a lot. House there that I saw, it's indeed a restaurant. There's a toilet. I think you can refill your water bottle there as well, but it was not open yet. It's now 9:36, so probably I hear some noise there. Probably they will open at 10 or something, so by the time I get back it should be open. 500 meters to go, and probably it will be a steep one, steep 500 meters. And it looks like I made it to Pico Ruivo. I'm not 100% sure, but because I don't see anything, it's fog everywhere, really everywhere. I think you can have incredible views here, but not today, or not right now. I just see fog, fog, fog everywhere. And to be honest, the hike was not as hard as I expected it to be. I think the way back though will be much harder, because the climb to Pico do Arieiro is very steep, much steeper than this one. So I will take a break before I head back. And it took me 2 hours and 30 minutes to get here. I took a few small breaks, no long breaks. So 2 hours and a half, I think is 2 hours and a half to 3 hours probably to get here. And probably the same, or at least 3 hours to go back. So I would say 6 hours in total. And my Samsung watch says 1650 meters, but I don't trust that Samsung watch for this. So I think it's 200 meters difference. It's 1852 if I'm not wrong. This peak, the highest peak of Madeira. And my watch says 6.5 kilometers, but I'm not sure about that. Wait, let me check my Strava on my phone. How much did I do? This will be more accurate probably. Well, actually 6.4 kilometers. Oh yeah, maybe it is. So that means that's about 13 kilometers two-way, you know, from Pico do Arieiro to Pico Ruivo and back. So small break, maybe a coffee, a breakfast, because I didn't eat yet. So I just met Nutat here.
Hi.
And he's also from Belgium actually. I just met him at the peak of Pico do Ruivo, and the peak, it was not so incredible because the views were not so great. But it looks like it's clearing up now for the way back. Yeah. So we're on our way now, and hopefully some good views. feeling?
Pretty good right now. I just catched my breath. So
yeah, once in a while a break.
Should be alright now. Final kilometers.
Yeah, the worst is yet to come.
Thank you for being so optimistic.
Yeah. Yeah, this part is pretty dangerous, right? Hi. That's good. Yes. Hi. So we already did 3.9 kilometers, as you can see, and we have 2.2 to go, and I'm thinking the last 1.5 to 2 kilometers will be very hard. So we're taking it not too fast right now, taking some breaks, because the hardest part will be the last kilometer, I guess. So we made it to Pico do Arieiro. It's now 2:38 and we did it in 7 hours and 23 minutes. Of course, we made a lot of stops for photos and videos.
Yes.
So I think you can do this hike probably in 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours should be possible, yeah, if you don't take too many breaks. And too bad we didn't have the clear view at Pico Ruivo, but maybe another time. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like it, and see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. If you enjoyed watching this video, consider subscribing, and if you want to support this channel, like, comment or share this video. It truly helps a lot. Thanks for watching.